Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to change font size in Windows 11. Whether you want to increase the font size for better readability or decrease it for more screen real estate, Windows 11 makes it simple to adjust to your preferences. So let's start the video. To adjust font size in Windows 11 laptop or desktop PC, right click on the Start menu icon and then click on Settings from the menu. Now in the settings window, click on Accessibility on the left-hand menu. In the Vision section, click on Text Size. To adjust the font size, look for the text size slider. Simply drag the slider to the left to decrease the font size or to the right to increase it. As you adjust the slider, you will notice the font size changing in the real time, allowing you to find the perfect size for your needs. After selecting the font size, click on Apply button to save the changes. So that's how to change the font size in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.